Our customer is driving our technology, and it's exciting. It's capsules, satellites, it's getting to the moon, it's getting to Mars. We are constantly investing in capabilities and machinery that will achieve the most stringent engineering requirements. In addition, we're also investing in 6-axis machining capabilities, and they enable us to put in full-size determinate holes around the outer periphery of the parts. Without this capability, we would not be able to support the engineering requirements for the full-size determinate assembly. Our customers are really challenging us. They're designing various platforms, investing in space technologies. You never know what you're going to be working on tomorrow because they're already designing it today. And we want to be part of that future with them.